Are y'all tired of navigating the VA claims process alone? Join us for our VA claims crash course. It's a workshop from filing a new claim, adding new claims, denials, and more. We'll also touch on buddy statements, Nexus letters, info for transitioning vets. So if you're still on active duty, not only will you walk away with the knowledge and resources needed to take the next steps to increase your chance at a successful VA claim, but you'll also receive a workbook with actionable steps to follow. So don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best at our low introductory price. Register now and take the first step towards getting the benefits you deserve. See you there.
DP here with Veterans Network Champions Club. And one quick question. Are you tired of navigating the VA claim process alone? If so, join us January 21st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where my team and I are going to be working with you, going through all the things you need to be able to file a successful claim, how to navigate it, going through denials and so forth. So it's a crash course, our VA claims crash course, which we think you're going to benefit from. We're looking forward to spending some time with you, sharing information and equipping you with tools to be able to walk away from this class with a lot of actionable steps.